Hi guys, welcome to our review channel. In this video, we're going to check out some best products on the market. We've made this list based on our personal opinion and hours of research, and we tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability, and more. For more information and updated pricing, please check out the description below.
The Melita 10 Cup features a classic design from one of the most respected names in the game. Simply insert a paper filter, add your preferred grounds, and let loose with the hot water. Its basket and carafe are amply sized to serve a crowd. Great value for the price, ridged to prevent clogs, plastic cone is BPA free. The Chemex Classic Series is an hourglass-shaped model that is constructed from sturdy glass, ensuring that your brew will always maintain its natural taste without any foreign flavors or odors. Its elegant polished wood collar completes the look. Safe to refrigerate. Sports a leather tie. Version with handle also available. The Motif Elements glass is a solid choice for those who want the precision of pour-over brewing with the convenience of an automatic machine. It heats water to the ideal temperature within a minute and soaks grounds for a sustained period for optimal flavor extraction. Decalcification sensor, handy pre-infusion mode, beeps when the cycle is complete. OXO Good Grips Auto Drip. While it does technically use the pour-over method, the OXO Good Grips Auto Drip takes on the responsibility of doing the actual pouring to offer you a hands-free experience. It boasts a water tank that controls its flow tightly to produce the best-tasting cup possible. Includes 10 filters. Produces smooth and even flavor. Lid doubles as a drip tray. The Coffee Gator brewer includes a reusable filter made of laser-cut steel, which eliminates the need for buying disposable ones. It's designed to allow your brew to retain the rich flavors and oils that paper often absorbs. Stay Cool Tap for safe lifting. Carafe holds 27 fluid ounces, satisfaction guarantee.